Some details coming through of the Supreme Court's rejoinder to the government on judges' appointment. The top court's counter to the government on the appointment of a particular judge in this case. The top court has spoken on the issue. Let me go across to Sunil Prabhu for more details. Sunil, what exactly is the court saying here?
Well, this is a Collegium decision. This is, of course, what we are giving you is about Mr. Saurabh Kirpal, who was considered to be elevated to the Delhi High Court 5 years back. And this is a reiteration by the Supreme Court Collegium, not once, not second time, but the third time. And in this, they have very categorically answered point by point to the various objections that have been raised by the RAW, the Research and Analysis Wing, who had looked into the security aspect, the security clearance of Mr. Saurabh Kirpal, as well as, of course, the Law Minister's own observations that have been pointed out. The RAW in its notings had said that Mr. Saurabh Kirpal's partner is a Swiss national and he is in an intimate relationship and is open about his sexual orientation. As you're well aware, Mr. Saurabh Kirpal is very open about the fact that he's gay, and the Law Minister then, on the 1st of April 2021, stated that homosexuality stands decriminalized in India. Nonetheless, same-sex marriage still remains bereft of recognition either in codified statutory law or uncodified personal law in India. Moreover, it has been stated that the candidate's ardent involvement and passionate attachment to the cause of gay rights would not rule out the possibility of biases and prejudices. For the first time, we have seen a reasoned argument being given by the Supreme Collegium, reiterating for the third time and getting into both aspects about the RAW's objections as well as the Law Minister, where they say that it does not reflect any apprehensions in regard to the individual conduct. They go on to say that Mr. Saurabh Kirpal has been open about his orientation in matters which goes to his credit. As a prospective candidate for judgeship, he has been superstitious. He has not been superstitious about his orientation, and in view of the constitutionally recognized rights which the candidate exposes, it would manifest contrary to the constitutional principles. And once again, requesting the court to expeditiously hear it. This is not only the only case. Even in the case of Mumbai High Court as well as Calcutta High Court, they have reiterated. It's a clear sign by the Collegium to send a message to the government, be it the Law Minister or the Vice President and other constitutional authorities who have been talking about interference in the appointment of judges, that the Supreme Court Collegium will stand its ground at this present juncture.
All right, Sunil Prabhu, thanks for joining us with all those details.